Hello friends, welcome to KS 3D Scan Print. Today we are working on another amazing project. In our new video, we will show you how we scan a plastic slipper, transfer it to the digital world, and easily reprint it at home using a 3D printer. Let's get started. First, we place the slipper on the scanner and start the scanning process. As the scanner captures the data, you will see the scanned areas on the screen. We will switch between the scanner and the digital screen to show you each step of the scanning process. The scanner enhances the detail of the model's surface by projecting different lights onto it, ensuring a more thorough and precise scan. It strives to capture the entire texture of the surface accurately, creating a highly realistic digital model. Now you can see how the scan is shaping on the digital screen as the scanning details appear in real time. By rotating the slipper on different surfaces, we aim to capture more detailed scans from various angles, ensuring a more realistic and high-quality model. In the final step, we place the real-life slipper and the digital slipper side by side. As you can see, they are identical. Now, you can use this digital model to create a new slipper with your 3D printer, or use it in various projects in the digital world. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Goodbye.